Hey, what's up guys? Andrew here. Today we're going to be doing another question from Leetcode. I'm going to skip a few this time and just jump straight to number 7. I don't have that much time this week and I want to get at least one video done per week, so I picked an easy one. So the question is called reverse integer and says that given a 32-bit signed integer, reverse the digits and return the result. So 123 becomes 321, negative 123 becomes negative 321. So there's a lot of ways to do this. I'm just going to do the way that came naturally to me just first. So what we're going to do is we're just going to convert it into a string. We're going to trim out the negative sign. And we're going to just reverse the characters in the string. So let's go ahead and do that. First off, we're going to take the absolute value. So first we need to just kind of record whether or not the original value was negative or not. So I'm going to go ahead and say multiplier equals if x is less than 0, our multiplier is going to be negative 1, otherwise it's going to be 1. So at the end we're going to multiply what we have, the reversed value, by the multiplier, which will allow us to retain the original minus or plus that we had. Okay, so now we have the multiplier, so now we can just go ahead and strip out the minus sign if it exists. So I'm going to say absolute value of x equals math.abs x. And then once we have the absolute value, we want to reverse it. So absolute value of x dot, keep in mind this is a number so far, so let's convert it to a string. Use the toString or pass it into the string constructor function. And then we want to go ahead and split that into a character array. And then we can call the reverse function to reverse those characters. So let's say this is reversed chars. And once we have those reverse chars, we want to join it back into a number. So we want to call reversed chars dot join by the empty character. So now we have a string again, and then we want to create a number from that. Okay. And then at the very end, we want to flip the sign if we need to. And there's just one gotcha with the instructions. It says that we're dealing with an environment that only can store integers within a 32-bit signed integer range. So assume that the function returns 0 when the reversed integer overflows. So if result is less than negative 1 times math.pow to the 31, or result is greater than math.pow 2 to the 31 minus 1, then we're going to return 0. Alright, I'm having a slight bug in the website. Let me go out a little bit. There we go. Okay. Otherwise, we just return the result. Okay, so go ahead and run that code. Accepted. Okay, go ahead and submit it. Cool, we had success. So there you have it. That's this week's Leetcode JavaScript challenge. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and subscribe.